They turned your own healing against you. I thought therapy was making me stronger. Learning about triggers, boundaries, trauma responses, finally understanding why I react the way I do. But he was listening. Every casual question after my sessions. How did it go today? What did you talk about? That's so interesting. Tell me more. I thought he cared about my growth. He was taking notes. Soon he knew my triggers better than I did. He'd poke them, then say, "You're having a trauma response," when I got upset. Like I was broken, overreacting. When I tried to set boundaries, he'd flip it. "You're just avoiding intimacy because of your abandonment issues." My own healing words became his weapons. "You're being triggered. That's your anxiety in talking. You're not thinking clearly right now." He made me question everything. Was I actually healing, or was it just broken? And the cruelest part, he infiltrated the one safe space I had. My therapy became his research lab, and I became his perfectly controlled experiment. When healing language becomes control language, you're not getting better, you're getting played.